Welcome to the new TRND Pro. There have been many changes, including a revamped algorithm, new automated indicators, and advanced indicators into the new TRND Pro toolkit. Here today, we're going to talk about the confirmation signals, and in the next videos, we're going to be breaking down each one of the indicators themselves and the changes that have been included in this new massive update. So first, let's get started with the buy and sell signals. These buy and sell signals are, of course, the confirmation signals. These signals are there to confirm trends in the market and be able to help identify for you potential entries in the market. Now, let's go over here and check out the settings tab where we can find the direction tab. Here above, we still have the sensitivity tab to, of course, change how the algorithm reacts and how we want the algorithm to react in the market. Again, reaction, of course, means how sensitive we want the algorithm to be. The lower the sensitivity, of course, means the more movements the algorithm is going to pick up, which means the more signals and labels that you're going to have on your chart. The higher the sensitivity means you're wanting the algorithm to pick up on more substantial movements. So we're going to leave it right now at 2.2, and we're going to now focus on the direction of the market. Right now we have the buy toggle enabled, and we are going to see what that looks like. We of course now can see that we have the buy signal and the exit signal and label on our screen, and now we also have the ability to toggle to the sell signals only too. Click OK and you'll be able to see that on your chart this exit now switches to sell and this buy now switches to exit. This change is now so that you can apply the algorithm more to how you trade personally. So if you've identified that the market is in an upwards trend or you're looking for a new upwards movement and potential entry, then of course you can switch your setting to buy within the direction. And of course, if you are waiting for the market to pull back or it's in a bearish state, then of course you can switch your direction to now sell, and that will allow you to pick up all those signals now for short positions or sell positions. Now, these are the confirmation signals, and in the next videos we're going to be talking about, of course, all the other settings like AI mode and re-entry mode. All right, that is it for right now. See you in the next video. Again, let's grow.